There are so many transitions in KineMaster's own store. These transitions are KineMaster's own identity, but we want to remove it like pimples and create own transitions. So, today we are going to create some transitions like this. I call this transition Fire Transition. Open your YouTube and search for Light League Overlay. Wait. फायर ट्रांजिशन नाम है और लाइट लीग ओवरले सर्च कर रहा है. लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहा है इसलिए पागल हो गया है शायद. So after search light league overlay, here we got many light league overlay. Download anyone which you like the most. If you don't know how to download videos from YouTube, so let's comment down. So after download light league overlay, open a new project in KineMaster and import the downloaded video. Now choose a part where the light is in the full screen and cut it. And cut again at the end of the light leak. Now export it. Again open a new project and add the two videos where you want to add transition. So now expand the timeline and add the exported video. Now adjust it according to your video. Now make it full screen and choose the blending mode into screen. Now duplicate it till the background is invisible. Now adjust the speed according to your video. Now we try some sound effects because Instagram influencers के साथ ego और transition के साथ sound effect नहीं होता है तो professional नहीं लगता. So open your YouTube and search for fire sound effect. So if you don't know how to download sound effects from YouTube, so tutorial in the I button. Now add this sound effect into KineMaster. Now make it faded by this process. Now export it. The preview is here. So guys, today is this. We shall meet in the next video. So if you like the tutorial, please click the like button, and if you are new in our channel and if you like our content and presentation, you must subscribe to our channel. So till then, take care and bye.